and welcome back to my channel. Today I have one of the best videos I love filming, which is my Primark haul. I love it when these come round. I tend to do them seasonally, although I wish I could do them monthly. I probably will end up doing them monthly if I really do pick this up properly and if, you know, they've got a lot of good things to offer. Today is the 3rd of March and we have decided to pop to Primark. It's a Sunday and I think I did pretty well. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got there, what's new, see if you like any of these things so you can know to go pick them up. And I'm making it a little bit different. On my Primark hauls, I don't usually do a try on, but I thought, hell, why not do a try on? Because I do a try on for any other clothing brands and hauls I do, so it just makes sense to do a try on as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is the first video you've seen from me, I would love if you could subscribe. I love doing Primark hauls. I do Poundland hauls, B&M hauls, all the good stuff. I'm from the UK, so I love a good bargain. I can also appreciate luxury, so I kind of go from one extreme to another sometimes. So if that's what you like, then stick around. I'd love to share my channel with you guys. So I went there just now, and to be fair, it was quite picked over. I go to the one in Bristol, that's where I live, and it is very, very big, but in my mind, I wanted to get sportswear, like gym wear, and pajamas, and those were the two things they actually didn't have much stock of. And I said to myself in my head, I was like, I know it's like, technically March is the first day of spring, so I was like, in my head, I'm not going to buy stuff. At the end of this month, I'm going on holiday to Tenerife, so I was like, I'm not going to buy anything yet. It's still too early, but when you get in there, you do get a little bit carried away. So it's kind of a spring haul, to be honest, spring/holiday haul. Okay, so the first thing I got in Primark, I love their wrapping paper because I think it is genuinely really good quality. So I picked up this one, first of all, which is just a brown paper one with polka dots on it. I thought this would be really good for any kids' presents. Usually when we buy presents, it's for kids. And then I don't know why, but I really liked this one here, which just says, oui, oui, ma chérie. And it's pink with cherries on it. And I thought that was really girly. So I've got a girly one for my friends and then one for the kids. And this one was 6 meters as well, but this is for £1. So I don't know why it was 10p more, but there you go. Oh, you know when like, I've only went like a couple of hours ago and I've actually forgot what I've got already. Why can't I find a comfortable place to put this? So before we went to Primark, I'm subscribed to a lot of people who do Primark hauls, and just so happened this morning we watched like 3 different people who did Primark hauls and like what's new in Primark, where they go into Primark and film. On this trip actually, I have been vlogging today, so if you want to see me buying all of this stuff and like a in-store Primark shop, it will be up on this channel either before or after this video. It will be a vlog that's uploaded on this channel, so be sure to subscribe. I like to put my normal videos and my vlog videos in one channel because I'm not a super big vlogger. I don't vlog all the time, so ooh, look at that sun coming through. Can't it just stay like that? It's gone heavenly. So beautiful. So we watched a few YouTubers before we went, and this was something me and my friend were both like, we need to buy that. So we both got the same one. It was actually in the lingerie section, but it was also in the like style wall, where you know how they have like a theme going on and they put loads of stuff. And it's this bralette here from the Secret Obsessions body collection, and it's basically just a white bralette. The back looks like this. This was £8, and I just think it's gonna look super cute when we go on holiday. This is really nice to wear under super loose fitting shirts, so you can kind of have the shirt unbuttoned a lot and then you can see the bralette through. If you're feeling very daring, you can wear this with just a pair of high-waisted jeans, like I'm probably showing you in the try over. It is really nice and it's just very clean and pretty, so hopefully this washes well. So I got that one. Okay then, I love watching Gemma Louise Miles. If you like Primark hauls as well, I find her really good to watch because she does a monthly Primark haul. And she showed these jeans this morning in the video I watched this morning. And it's a new range for Primark. It's called the Shaping Super Skinny High Waist. And they look like this. So they are, I've got the black jeans. I tried on the blue ones as well, which I liked, but I just needed a pair of black jeans, to be honest. So these are high-waisted. I've actually got more into the low-cut jeans, so this was a kind of a step back for me, but I loved the idea of it. I was like, oh my gosh, how are these shaping? And literally, I tried these on and they suck you in. They look amazing. So these were £10. They're almost slightly jegging-y. Of course, they've got a stretch to them, but they're very like fitted. So like make sure you get your size in these. I know in her video she said she thinks she had to size up a bit, but it was, yeah, I found the 12 to be perfect for me because I am quite I am a size 12. I'm not any bigger or smaller. So yeah, I got these, and these are honestly one of my new favorite things. Okay, I got myself one of these, which is a little bikini bag, and this was only £2, and it's obviously from the holiday section. I don't know why. I don't know if I'll actually store bikinis in here. I'll probably use this for my suntan lotions. My bikinis probably won't even fit in here, so but yeah, this is the bikini bag. I'm loving the sun coming through right now. It's like heaven shining upon me. So yeah, it just looks like this, and it's like a squidgy rubber material, but really pretty. So I was slightly obsessed when I went into Primark. I could see that the patterns that are back in is obviously snake print and like cheetah print. All the animal prints are in at the moment. I'm not a massive fan of that. It's just not my cup of tea. I've got an odd few pieces of print, but I like different prints. I like ones that have got colour in them or something. I'm not a traditional type of person, and I don't really like neon prints. I think that they're too much for me anyway. I can't wear it. But one print that I noticed is back in and is like, I'm just kind of loving it, and I think it is so springy, is the gingham. Black and white gingham was everything last year. So this year I've noticed they've started doing some more coloured gingham. So I've picked up a few pieces, the first of which is this one here. So this is a really cute little mustard yellow gingham top. I had to get this in a size 14 because there was only that and 18 left, but it's so flowy you wouldn't know the difference, to be honest. It's just an off the shoulder flowy top with these little mother of pearl buttons down the middle. This was only £6, and I just love the yellow, and I think with a tan and a pair of denim shorts, these are gonna look so cute. Keeping with the gingham theme, I then got this top here, which is a little crop top with these little wooden buttons, which I thought was absolutely precious. It's so nice. And an elasticated back. I managed to get this in a size 12. And I just got Dukes of Hazzard vibes with these. Like, these with a pair of acid wash, really skinny ripped jeans and a kick-ass tan with a golden glow. Please, oh my goodness, this would look so cute. So I tried this on. You're gonna have to excuse it in the try on because right now I am so pale, and I tried it on in the changing rooms and I was like, do you know what, I know that I look like I am too pale to wear this because it's a pale colour, and when you got pale skin you just get washed out. But with a tan I think this is going to be gorgeous, and this is coming on holiday with me for sure. Like I said, with a pair of denim shorts this will look really cute. And I think even with this, with just a pair of blue jeans, if you wanted not to be so revealing, would work as well. It's very Dukes of Hazzard, and I love it. And this was only £6 also. I got quite a lot of accessories in this haul. I'm excited to show you guys. I'm really excited for most of them as well, because some of them they're actually very different styles for me, but I'm gonna force myself to wear them because I think they'll look cute. I then got that top in gingham as well, but in the traditional black and white gingham. I'm loving the little wooden buttons. This is probably gonna be a bit more easier to wear. Again, I can wear this kind of, I wasn't gonna say now because it's definitely not warm enough, but yeah, I got this one. It's £6 also, size 12 also. I need to cut these off because I hate them with a passion. But yeah, it's just so cute, isn't it? I love gingham. I think it's so cute. I keep saying precious. I never say precious. That's really weird. I did say to myself I would buy one or the other, but for the sake of £6, I was like, actually, I'm gonna have both. I'm just getting all the clothes out the way first because then it's not done nice in sections, you know, nice and organised. So also when we were watching the videos before we came, I seen a YouTuber show this top in their what's new in Primark, and I really liked it. So this is just a little sort of cropped cami with lace on it. It is khaki, which is one of my favourite colours. And this I got in a size medium, and it was only £4. They had this in red as well, and I don't know if they had it in white, but if they have it in white, I really want it too. But I just thought it was really nice. The straps are really spongy as well, the spaghetti straps, which is very different. And again, I just think this will look really nice with those black jeans or with some high-waisted denim shorts on holiday. It's just really pretty, and I like how the lacing kind of comes off and it's not all the way on. Really cute, and I bargained for £4. Okay, moving on to the last thing I got. I've just been meaning to get one of these, and I always never pick it up. I see them in H&M, Topshop, absolutely everywhere. But I just seen this in Primark, and I was like, you're obviously not going to get a better deal than that. And it's just a pink and white striped. I specifically wanted a pink one shirt, and I think these are great. So I got this in a size 18 because it's really flowy, and I want it as sort of a shirt dress. It was £7, which is amazing. So I'm thinking this would look so cute with denim shorts again. I've got so much denim short planned. Either denim shorts or jeans, to be honest, depending on your occasion. And you could even have that white bralette in it and then have this undone quite a bit. I think that would look so nice. And with a bikini, Steph said, my friend, she was like, it would look so nice if you just wore this to a beach, like undo all the buttons and have it as like a little throw over. That would be so cute as well. But I love the washed out pink. I think that that's just a really, really nice colour. And yeah, they had these in loads of different colours, but I just needed a pink one. I've got plenty of other ones, but yeah. Zara do these all the time as well, but you pay a lot more than £7, so I definitely just wanted to grab that. Okay, so that is everything for the clothes, but I did get one pair of shoes, which I am buzzing for. I am hoping I'm going to be living in these in summer, and definitely going to take them on holiday, although I just thought about it that they're actually really heavy. And I've only got a hand carry, so that's great, but oh well. These shoes here, how cute are these? They're just black normal wedges, but they're Cork wedges. They're not, I mean, they're heavy, but they're not too heavy. Would I be such a drama queen if I wore these on the plane? I probably might have to just for the weight, but got them in size 6, and these were like on the display, like front display sections. They're obviously like the trending shoe at the moment for spring summer. I love a bit of cork, and the thing is these are obviously wedges, so they're actually not that high. They're only really about that high to wear, so they're really comfy. They're peep toe. They had these without peep toe as well, which I'm kind of half tempted to go back and get the brown pair, but I'm gonna have a pedicure in summer. It'll be fine, so I can show my toes. And it's just the buckle up, and these were £14, so they were the most expensive thing I got, but to be honest, I think I'm gonna get my wear out of them. With Primark shoes, I'm always getting the wrong type of shoe. I'm always buying the ones that I think look pretty and I never end up wearing, so I just thought, you know what, actually I am gonna wear these in summer because they're just appropriate, and they're quite beachy vibes. Okay, so I got 3 pairs of glasses while I was in Primark, 2 of which are sunglasses and 1 of which are reading glasses. Now, if you know me, I have got 1 pair of, I need glasses, I have reading glasses, I'm prescribed them, but I never buy, like I have 1 pair of Vivienne Westwood glasses that are like my nice pair, but I do not really take those out, and I always forget to bring my glasses with me, so I need to always buy cheap pairs basically. And I've always bought the same pair from Primark and Tiger that are just the thin little black rim glasses. They do me, but I seen these and you know, I was like, I am feeling those. I feel like I might be able to rock them. I tried them on and got Steph's opinion because I was like, glasses are really iffy and I'm so used to one style and they really do change your face, to be honest. So I was like, don't know if these are going to suit me. These are the glasses and they were £2. You can definitely tell that they're £2 because they're very squeaky, but they look like this. And I mean, oh my gosh, they're really cheap, but there you go. I don't know, how do I look? Do you guys think they suit me or not? I'm not sure, but I'll just, yeah, I'll rock them, I'll give them a go, you know, but I think I'll still probably end up going back to my thin little rim ones. I kind of like them. I think it makes me look intelligent. And then I got 2 other pairs, but these are sunglasses, and these first ones, I needed a pair of aviators, and Primark, you know, whenever I actually go to buy them in summer, they don't have any, so I just thought I would get them while I'm there now, and there was some. So there was 2 pairs. Again, you can see me trying these on in the vlog, which look like this, and I haven't actually seen these on me, so I'll have a look in the mirror. They're fine. See, these were £3 and they are just normal. They're a bit more flatter rimmed, which are really nice aviators. And these are just great. I just keep these in my car and I can just chuck them on when I want. Literally, Primark sunglasses I leave everywhere, so I can just have a pair when and if I need them. And then I finally got myself a pair of Kylie Jenner sunglasses because they were only £2, and I've put these sort of pair of glasses in my cart on Missguided I don't know how many times, and I will not buy it because I'm like, Aimee, you're never gonna wear those. They're also UV protection ones. You are never gonna wear those. There is no point of spending the money on them. And when I seen these for £2, I was like, do you know what? Let's just give it a go. So I gotta give Primark credit where credit's due, you know, like those trends, the things we're not gonna spend a lot of money on because we're a bit unsure about. Kudos, you let us have that trend without spending too much money. So I got a pair of Kylie Jenner sunglasses. This is what I call Kylie Jenner anyway. You have to wear them at the end of your nose. Are you ready to see this? So they look like this. and I feel kind of like I should be like doing a pose, like full on, I don't know. I mean, wearing them like that, I feel like Coco Chanel. Wearing them like that, I feel like Kylie Jenner. I just can't deal with these. How can a pair of £2 glasses give you so much like empowerment? I'm not too sure. So I'm going to take these and really try and just rock them. If nothing else, I will get an Instagram picture out of them. But yeah, I got these glasses and we shall see if I actually use them. Okay, down to the last two things, which are two pairs of accessories. So I had a little look at the accessory section and I was kind of loving the vibe. Now, the beachy vibe, you know, people have got those wicker basket sort of, what they're called, bags. And I've noticed a lot of shell stuffs coming in, or shell design, which I am loving. So I seen these and I thought these were really pretty. These were £2 and they are silver little shell earrings. And again, beachy vibes. I hope I actually wear these. I'm not too sure if I will, but I really, really liked them and I thought they were very cute. And these, like I said, were only £2. And then I caught these while I was leaving the accessory section and I like the design of these as well. So they're just small gold hoops, but with the little coin on the bottom. And I think that that's just, again, very beachy vibes, really nice on plain ears. So these were £1.50 and I don't think you can go wrong. So I got a pair of silver and a pair of gold. So guys, that was it for my Primark haul. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to see in Primark and see what other stuff was new, it is on my vlog. I did film quite a lot, so it'll either be linked down below or you'll have to subscribe if it's coming up. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you are new, I would love if you could stick around and click that subscribe button. I am picking myself up and we're doing lots of hauls, bits and bobs and other things, and I'd really appreciate a like if you did like this video, and any feedback down below in a comment would be great. Thank you so much in advance and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Remember to stay beautiful and I will see you all in my next video. Ciao!